This is the all-new Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. It is smaller and affordable than the mighty Galaxy S22 Ultra, but bigger and slightly costlier than the vanilla Galaxy S22. Samsung has launched the Galaxy S22 Plus in two variants in three color options. Here we have the 8GB plus 128GB variant of the smartphone in the Phantom Black color shade. Let's find out more about the smartphone in this first impressions video. But before that, let's check out the box contents. So guys, this is the box for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and as expected, we don't have much going on here. All you get is a smartphone, and we have the Phantom Black color variant. Plus you get this little cardboard, and inside it you will get the Type-C to Type-C data cable, some documentation, and the SIM card ejector tool. So you will not find a pair of headphones, and you will also not see a charging brick, and you will also not find that Samsung's old TPU case, the silicone cases that Samsung offers with their smartphones. So there's no that sort of silicone case in the box to offer some degree of protection. All you get is a phone and this Type-C to Type-C data cable. To my surprise, there's no pre-installed screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus either. I thought that Samsung is not offering it on the S22 Ultra because of the S Pen stylus functionality, but in fact, it is not pre-installed on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So that's it. That's about the inbox content for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. After using the Galaxy S22 Ultra for over a week, I am really admiring the slightly compact size and the lightweight body of the Galaxy S22 Plus. The Phantom Black color variant looks very attractive and feels extremely premium. And thanks to this flat display, one-hand usage and the overall handling is pretty easier. The build quality is impressive thanks to the aluminum frame and the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus back panel. The smartphone is also IP68 certified for protection against water and dust. Overall, the Galaxy S22 Plus is one of the most nicely designed flagship smartphones in the year 2022. Unlike the Galaxy S22 Ultra's gigantic Quad HD Plus display, the Galaxy S22 Plus flaunts a 6.6 inches Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a fluid 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The display produces lively colors and has excellent viewing angles. It also supports HDR10 Plus and has a peak brightness of 1750 nits. The panel is protected by a layer of Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. It seems like a perfect screen for playing games and streaming high-resolution videos. Let's talk about cameras. So here we have a triple lens camera system featuring a 50 megapixel main sensor with f1.8 aperture, a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor with f2.2 aperture, and a 10 megapixel telephoto sensor with f2.4 aperture capable of delivering 30x digital zoom. We took some images and noticed excellent details, spot on contrast, and dynamic range with the primary camera and in fact with the wide angle lens. The easy to use camera app offers most required features such as portrait mode, night mode, a dedicated mode for food photography, and a lot more. We will share more insights about the camera performance in our detailed review. Meanwhile, check out these camera samples. Similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Galaxy S22 Plus is also powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. You can buy the smartphone in two configurations, 8GB RAM and 128GB storage and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. There is no 12GB RAM variant for the Galaxy S22 Plus. In our limited usage, we haven't come across any performance issues on the smartphone. The Galaxy S22 Plus is powered by a modest 4500 mAh battery cell, which is supported by a 45 watt wired charging and 15 watt wireless charging. The smartphone runs Android 12 out of the box and is claimed to receive 4 years of software upgrades. The Galaxy S22 Plus seems like the go-to Samsung flagship smartphone to buy in the year 2022. It will compete with the likes of Apple iPhone 13, iQOO 9 Pro and the upcoming OnePlus 10 Pro and the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra handset. We will soon bring our detailed review of the smartphone. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe Gizbot for more technology videos.